Good morning, dear children. So today we are going to do our maths class, and the chapter number is one, and the name of the chapter is large numbers. Okay. Before I go in detail of the chapter that we are going to do, I would must make you remember that this time is the coronavirus time, and it is the second wave of coronavirus, and it is the severe one than the earlier. So do take care of yourself by wearing a mask, as well as do your sanitizing part also every now and then. Okay. Do tell your family also, and do not go out. Try to stay back at home only. Okay, so that you all people can be fit and fine. Okay. Now let us go to the chapter. Okay. So first it has given already in number one, that is write the number and number name, then show it on the abacus. Okay, these are all the figures actually that we are going to do the calculations with the help of all this, and after that this is the abacus form actually where we will have to write. So let us see how actually we are going to do this. Actually these are all the blocks, okay, and these are all the standard form of it, and each these blocks will represent 1000. Each these blocks will represent 1000. Each of these blocks will represent 100, and each of these blocks will represent 10, and each of these blocks will represent ones. Okay, as it is written 1000, 100, 10, and ones. So here what we will do, here we need to count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of here are 1000, 1000, 1000. So totally it is coming 4000. Next is 100, 100, 100. Totally it is coming 300. Next is the this one 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 tens are here, and here once if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 ones are there. So all together will form a figure. So let us see. Let us see what is that figure. Okay, how it comes. So this 4000 has come. So in the abacus we will put what? Only 4. So here we are giving the 4, because it is already representing 1000. So 4 in the sense it is 4000. After that this 300. So we will write in place of 100 it is 3. That means it is 300. After that it is 10. So 4 tens are there. So we will write only 4. And here once it is 8. Okay, totally 8 blocks are there. So we will write only 8. So it is 4348 is the total. If we count and if we do the maths in this fashion, so in the number it will come 4348. So this is the answer of it, and the number name will be like this, that is 4000 300 and 8. So this is your answer. Okay, in the same fashion we will do the next one. I hope you have already understood this. Okay, so this is the first one that we have done. Now the next one is given. It is actually A, once A. Okay, now we will see the B. So what is there in B? Figure B, it has given like this. So I will rub. I will rub like this. Okay, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. This will not be there. So this is 1 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. So we'll have to write here small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me make it bit bigger, or I can give it here also. Okay, that means 4 totally. Okay, fine. So as I had said earlier already, this will be considered as 1000. That means it is 1000 equals 1. You'll have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 100, 100, 100. This is also 100. This is also 100. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so as I have said 1000, so you'll have to, it is only 1, so in place of 1000 you need to write 1. In place of 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hundreds are there, and in case of this it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones are there, so it is done ultimately. So 1 I have written as of 1000, then 100 is are how much? It is 5. 10 are how much? Nothing, so I will put here 0, and for 9 I will put here 9. So this is the answer actually. So in the place of number, what do you need to write? 1, 5, 0, 9. So this is your number. Fine, this is your number, and in the number name we will write it is 1,000, 1,000, 500 and 9. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is how you need to do this. Okay, I hope you people have already understood. If you have any query or anything that you have not understood, please connect me. Okay, I will make you understand also over telephone. So this is the thing that we have done. Okay, next what is there we will see. Actually this is number B. Okay, so it is done. Now we will do the next one. Okay, next one is write the expanded form in figures. Write the expanded form in figure. Okay, so this is we are going to see. Number A, it has given 5, 6, 7, 4 equals. Okay, so here it has given already like 5,000. It has given. So 5,000, as we know, it is okay plus. So let us do like this. For this 5,000, for this it is 600, for this it is 70, for this it is 4. So how do we write it? First we have written 5,000, after that we will write this 600 at here, after that we will write here 70, after that we will write here 4. So if we add all these things, it will come here like this. 5,000 plus 600 equals 5,600. After that 70 will come here and 4. So it is 5,674. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. Next is what? Next is given 7083. Okay. This is number B. Okay. 7083. Next is 7083. How we will write it? Same way. First of all, it will be 7,000 plus here in 0 we will write like in hundreds figure means 3. After that it will be 80. After that it will be 3. So if we now do add these things, it will be 7,083. So how it represents? Actually this will be your 7,000. Here it will be 0 only. Here it will be your 80. Here it will be your 3. So if we add all these things, how much it is coming? Okay, it is coming as 7083, means 7083 is the answer. So like this way you will have to write. Fine. Next is arrange in ascending order. Next. Arrange in ascending order. In ascending order. 2, 9, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 8, 2, after that 8, 9, 9. Okay. So ascending order in the sense from small to big you'll have to arrange. Okay. So these are all the figure that it has given. Okay. These are all the numbers. So you'll have to take these 4 numbers. Among these you'll have to arrange these different 4 numbers from small to big. That is called as ascending order. Fine. So how we will do this? So as we know already ascending order. So 8, 9, 9 first. That means it is the smallest one. Next will be your 1, 2, 3, 5. Next will be 2, 9, 6, 3. And the last one will be 3, 5, 8, 2. So 899 is the first one. Next is 1, 2, 3, 5, this one. Next will be your this one, 2963, this one, and the finally this one. So this is how you'll have to do this. The other one is also given, so you do practice that one at your home. Fine. I'm just showing you how to do this one. After that, arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. This is of number 4. So arranging descending order. Descending order in the sense from bigger to small. Fine. You'll have to arrange it from bigger to small. Like if we have number from 10 to 5, that means you'll have to start writing from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, like this way. So what it has given, let us see. Arrange in descending order. It is number A, that is 8052. After that 8502. After that 8520. After that 852. Eight 8502. After that 8520. Okay, so these are different 4 numbers it has been given. So what we need to do, descending order, मतलब बड़ा से छोटा. So how will you do it? The maximum or the most, once the bigger number is here 8520. So we'll have to write first 8520. Fine. After that, which one will come? You see among all these 3. Okay, it will be 8502. First, it will be 8520. That is 8520. After that, this 8502. After that, 8052. After that, it is 852. So this is your answer in descending order. So keep it in mind. Ascending in the sense from small to big and descending order in the sense it is from bigger to small, you'll have to arrange. So this was the thing that we have learned so far now. Okay, and now we will see number 5. Let's see what it has given in number 5. Use the digits to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. Use the digits to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers. Okay, so it has given 7, 8, 4, 9. Smallest and greatest. So we'll have to write now. So keep it in mind, when we write the smallest number, among this you'll have to make or form the smallest number. So which one will come the smallest? So first here we will have to write 4. After that it will come 7. After that it will come 8. After that it will come 9. So this is the smallest number. Okay, if we form from here, and the greatest number will be, you'll have to do from 9. After that 8. After that 7. After that 4. Okay, smallest in the sense you'll have to take the small number first. After that means from small to big you'll have to do, that is the smallest number. From here it will form, and for the greatest number you'll have to do from the bigger number. So that is the greatest number. So from the bigger number, as we are getting 9, 8, 7, 4, and for the smallest among these 4 numbers we will get 4, 7, 8, 9. So this is the thing. Okay, so what we will do is, so we will conclude today up to here only, and some things which I have left out, so you do practice those things at your home. Fine. And the next class we will see the remaining thing whatever are there. There are lots of things to learn, and I will teach you in that manner only, so that slowly and gradually you learn everything. Okay, well manner. But you keep it in mind that maths or mathematics is a subject where you can grow, you can score 100% marks. One thing is this, and the other thing is that you need to practice as much as possible. Okay, as much as possible you practice, that much you will be able to do the maths, different kind of maths. Okay, so you'll have to know the tactics or the formula. Okay, according to that only you'll have to apply while you do your mathematics part. So do everyday mathematics practice, so that you'll be perfect in that manner. Okay, so before I wind up my class, okay, I will tell you once more, do take care of yourself, do wear the mask in a proper manner, and do your sanitizing part also every now and then. Take care of you and everyone like as you can. Okay, have a great day ahead. Thank you.